How to replace the battery in your Chevy Malibu. I am Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So the battery is in front of the car, right on the driver's side, and the first thing we need to do is remove this brace, and it's held on with some 10mm screws, so I'm going to get all of those out. So with the 3 10mm bolts out and the 1 10mm nut, we can now remove the bracket. Just push in on this tab, lift up, and we can remove the cover from the negative side. For the cover on the positive side, there's a clip right here that we'll need to release, and then on this side there's a clip. There's a clip right here that also needs to be released as well. So I'm going to release these 2 clips and this cover should come off. There's another connector that we need to release right here. So I'm going to disconnect this, get this connector off, and that should free up the cover on this side. Right. With this connector off, we can move on to the front. There's a wiring connector that's clipped onto the cover. So you need to push a tab in right here, and then you should be able to lift this off. Just like that. With this connector off, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the negative side of the battery with my 10mm socket and ratchet. Okay, just move this to the side. And now I'm going to loosen the positive side with my 10mm socket and ratchet. Once I have this loose, I'm going to put my flathead screwdriver in here to try to unclip this from the battery, as we can see. With this piece clipped off, we can go ahead and remove the cover. And I'm going to use my 13mm socket and ratchet to remove the bracket bolt. Now with the bracket out, we should be able to lift up and remove the battery. Installation is the reverse of the removal process. I'm going to go ahead and get the battery in place, and then I'm going to install the battery bracket and tighten it down. Next thing is to install the battery cover, and this part actually was a little tricky. You need to make sure you have it lined up properly. After that, we can snap on the positive side of the connector and tighten that down, and clip on the connector to the front of the battery cover. And then I'm going to connect that electrical connector to the negative side of the cable, and then attach the negative cable to the battery. After that, just put the cover over the negative side and put the cover over the positive side, and we can move on to our bracket. I'm going to fasten the nut first, and after that I'm going to go ahead and install the 3 bolts. Get those nice and tight. That pretty much wraps up getting it back into the Malibu. And this job is done. If
If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.